Hello and welcome. I'm Aureo Castro, and today I'd like to talk about how you can put a passcode lock on your account, your Apple account in your iPhone. So screen time, you use screen time to put a passcode lock on your account so that it cannot be changed without someone unlocking your account data. So, okay. Screen time is used to control what can and can't be done on some of the settings of your iPhone. To prevent any changes being made by someone to your account, you can go to screen time settings of your phone. Tap content and privacy restrictions and turn it on if it is turned off. Locate and tap account changes, then tap don't allow. Go back to screen time and tap lock screen time settings. Enter your 4-digit passcode 2 times, then enter your Apple ID and password and tap OK 2 times. Make a note of your screen time unlock passcode and keep it in your wallet or copy it to your secret password list. To remove your protection on your account settings, go back to screen time and tap change screen time passcode, then tap turn off screen time passcode. Enter your passcode once and you're back to screen time setting. Tap content and privacy restrictions and set account changes back to allow. You can also set passcode changes and cellular data changes to don't allow for additional safety. This is additional protection to prevent others to lock you out of your iPhone if your phone is stolen and the thief knew your phone's passcode. So when in a public setting, cover your phone when tapping your passcode. Or for better protection, use fingerprint or facial recognition rather than passcode when your phone allows it. However, it may be possible that screen time can drain your battery. So when not traveling, you can turn off screen time. Follow the procedure already mentioned to turn off account settings protection using the screen time setting of your phone. Thank you for listening and watching my video, and I will see you again soon in another video.